Recently, someone asked me, well, where did you get your red alarm clock? I believe we bought our red alarm clock on Amazon, and you can find just about anything you want on Amazon. So check out Amazon if you're looking for a little clock or alarm clock on Amazon. When I saw this on Amazon, I was very fond of it and decided to purchase it because, well, it was red. And then I began to think about what else I could purchase that was red. And in an upcoming short, I will share with you my next item that I purchased that was red. But yes, this alarm clock I keep on my coffee table. It keeps great time, and I just love it.